Hi everyone. So welcome to Reasoning Class Blood Relation Part 2. So my name is Mohammed Naresh Reddy. So I'm the Arithmetic Reasoning faculty having 17 years of experience in teaching of arithmetic and reasoning. So yes, my dear students, see, this is the part 2. If you want to watch part 1, so please watch my previous video. Okay. So here I'm including all the important topics in blood relations. In the part 1, I included two topics I have completed. Okay. The first one is blood relation chart, and the second one is relation with a symbol. Okay. To learn those techniques, please watch part 1. Okay. If you are watching at first time, please subscribe and please share it and please like it. Okay. So thank you, and let us see the part 2 now. Now in this part 2, the third important topic, that is family tree, means how to draw a family tree. Let's see how to draw the family tree now. How to build your family tree. Let us see one example. B is the brother of A, C is the sister of B, father of C is D, and E is sister of D. So this is complete one example. By using this example, let us draw a family tree. Okay, let's see my question. So B is the brother of A. So I'm taking B here. B. B is the brother of A. Already in the first chapter, means first part, I have told you and how to represents each relation with a symbol. So in that video, so we learn that the brother relation we have represented with by implication. So as B is the brother of A, so B and by implication A. Very simple, my dear friends. B is the brother of, means B must be the male person. So I am representing it as it with the positive. A may be positive, A may be negative. Okay, got the point. A may be positive or A may be negative. A may be sister of B or A may be brother of B. So as we don't know anything, so just leave aside it. And the next one, C is the sister of B. C is the sister of B. So as C is sister of B, then C is a negative. Okay, right. Then very simple measure. And father of C is D. I already told you the father must be this implies father of C is D. So D must be the positive. So D positive. Now E is the sister of D. E is the sister of D. Very simple, my students. Very simple. Got the point? So like this, we need to. This is complete the family tree. Okay, so easily we can understand by seeing, by drawing this all the things here. For example, if I ask the first question, what is the relation of C to the A, means easily you can say the sister, isn't it? Why? Because yeah, A might be the A, yeah, B is the brother of A, then as C is the sister of B, then C might be the sister of A. Very simple. Okay, and what is the relation of A to the D, means son. Why? Because as C is a daughter of D, as C is the daughter of D, then A must be the son of D. Got the point? And what is the relation of E to the B? Means as E is the, yet we can understand easily. Then only just no need of watching everything. Only just to see the figure. See, if you see, then E is the sister of D. Means D is the father of B. So that then easily we can means E is the father sisters. So that's why we can say this aunt. It's paternal aunt. Very simple way. Only just learn how to draw a family tree. Let's see the next example in this topic, thought topic, family tree. Let's see the question. B is the brother of A, C is the sister of B, father of C is D, E is sister of D, and F is husband of C, and A is son of C. Let's draw the family diagram. Let's see, B is the brother of A. So directly I'm writing this, by distance. So as we know that, so the brother relation can be shown by using this by implication. So B must be the positive. and C is the sister of B. So C is the sister of the same brother sister relations can be shown by implication. So if you want to know all the relations, all the symbols with relations, so you can watch the first part of the blood relation. So I already uploaded in YouTube, so you can watch it now. So see my dear friends. So next, the father of C is D. Father of C is D. So all I told you. So D as of D is the father, D must be the male, and E is the sister of D. I already told you the sister brothers relation will be shown by using by implication. So E is sister of D. And the next one, F is husband of C. F is husband of C. The husband relation must be shown by line. Then as F is husband of C, then F must be the positive. Don't forget to uh, don't forget to recognize whether they are male or female. The gender is the most important thing, my dear friends. Okay, so as soon as possible you need to write the gender immediately. Okay, now the next one, A is son of this. See here in the first sentence we don't know the gender of A, because B is the brother of A, only just he mentioned. A might be the sister or brother, but here he mentioned A is the son of G, means A must be the positive. He is son of G. Okay, so this is the family tree. So we don't know the G gender here, gender of G. But if you see, then see A, B, C. These three are brothers and sisters by using this data. So brothers and sister, they have the father, that is D, means they must have the mother. So as A is the son of G, then B is also must be the son of G, and C is also must be the daughter of G. Why? Because it's completely one family tree here. So only they have the father, then they should have the mother. So that G must be the mother. So G's relation is sorry, G gender must be negative. So this is the complete family tree, my dear students. Okay, so by using this family tree, we need to answer all the questions. Let's see all the questions now. See, we can frame many questions only with single data. See, my dear students, see, by using this complete family tree, we can answer all these questions now. Okay, so let's see now. Let's see how G is related to D. So already just now we have discussed. Then D must be the husband of G. Then G is must be the wife. So the answer is wife. And how E is related to B? Very simple. You can able to say E is a father C, father's sister. So B's father's sister. So that must be aunt. And how F is related to G? So here G is nothing but mother of C, and F is husband of C. Means F must be husband of daughters, daughter of G, husband of daughter of G. So that then usually we call as a son-in-law. Now, how many children does she has? Sorry, does G has? How many children, my dear friends? Two sons, one daughter. So therefore, there are three children G has. And how many males are there? How many males are there? Then only just we need to count the positive members. One, two, three, four. See how far it is helping by recognizing gender of each person. So that's why please don't forget to recognize the gender. Gender is the most important in blood relations. How many females are there? As there are only the seven family members, out of seven there are four males, then the rest of the persons must be females. So three. See, very simple, my dear students. See, easily we can draw the family tree. If you are able to draw the family tree, then you will be able to answer every question. See, only with one family tree, we were able to answer these all the questions now. So thanks for watching our channel, and if you like this video, please subscribe Brain Booster Institute channel, and please like and share it, and please don't forget to comment your mom and dad study. Thank you very much.